Hey guys, I just wanted to share some results and insights from some of my clients. Just as an overview, I wanted to mention that with our property tax consulting course, that you get a fast track business implementation plan. You get huge numbers of residential and business clients that needing help. You're not going to be in any kind of a situation where you're looking for customers. All the pre-written forms, letters, customer contracts you'll ever need to do business are in our course. Plus, we give you a property tax consulting insider's marketing plan, and you also get free updates for life. For the course, we have all the pre-written forms, letters, and customer contracts that you'll ever need to do business. We have the format and property tax appeal forms, the fee agreement forms, authorization forms, solicitation letters, the limited power of attorney representation forms, which is you need to represent the client without them having to show up. You have the contract transmission letters that thank you for choosing our company letters. We have filed your appeal letters, invoice forms, invoice letters, past due notices, updates for life, and we also have included a persuasion tactic and a copywriting sales ebooks. Also included with our complete business property tax appeal course, you get commercial valuation, tax consulting basics, and you get the course, of course. You get the letters and forms for agreements. You get equity analysis examples in Excel. You get fair market analysis examples in Excel. You get cost analysis examples in Excel. You get operating statements. You get a supplement to the operating statement, and you also get land valuation analysis. On this page, we're revealing our access link to the complete property tax appeal course. And as mentioned previously, after one purchases the residential course, the business and commercial property tax appeal course will be offered for an extra $42. You can access it all on the page clicking the Enroll Here button. So in our YouTube courses, we go through the 10 specific action points needed for an effective property tax appeal. You can access these page links by logging into the description below this video, or you can see those links for all the free trainings by clicking the subscribe button on the page that you were given when you signed up for these videos. So post below, give us a thumbs up if you can for the free video course action points, and we'll see you guys in the next video.